Hi, this is Ellen from the Chili Dog, and a lot of my knitting friends tell me that they don't like to work projects like socks on double-pointed knitting needles because the needles fall out when they're not knitting. So let me show you how to store your work and secure your needles. Fold your work in half, fold it in half again so that all of your needles are parallel to each other, and then just take your working yarn and wrap it tightly around one end of the needles. Carry it across your work and wrap it tightly around the other end of the set of needles. And now your needles are secure and not going anywhere until you come back. If you like this quick tip, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your knitting friends. Until next time, happy knitting!